Hey, you guys. Welcome back to our What Sold today. We're getting ready to ship out.
Yeah, on eBay, Poshmark, and Mercari. And we're starting here today in what used to be our old inventory room.
Yes,
And
our old inventory room.
It is now Michelle's office. She's listing in here every day. We've done a couple of lives. Pretty awesome.
I wanted you guys to see it in its exact sort of messiness. I did not change anything because this is where I work.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I know, and you've been listing so many items every single day. I'm super proud of you.
Thanks.
I
I just over 50 in 2 days.
That-
And that's full on clothes. That's steaming.
Yeah.
That's not jeans and shoes, and that's woo!
The hard work, right?
Yeah,
We got
yeah.
a nice place to photograph and a nice.
All my
space.
lights too that were up in the attic of wonders. So we're working
Yeah.
it. We're working it. We can do a green screen over there, which would be really fun, and
Yeah.
we're looking forward to that. But
Yeah. And speaking of the Attic of Wonders, oh my gosh, we're gonna head up there because it's now the Attic of Wonderful. Because you can also see the unlisted inventory room that we've been working on, and we've been putting them all in boxes like
you
this right here.
guys, look at this.
This is actually, we still need to bring these up there. We need to go to Walmart and get some new bins, some nice matching bins to throw these in.
Yeah.
And actually, one of our first sales is right here in bin P3.
We didn't even get it upstairs yet.
I know, we haven't brought it upstairs.
Right.
I didn't even get a chance to cross list those. They sold so fast for $39.99 plus
They did.
shipping on eBay.
I like Chico's Travelers. I sell a lot of them. They're great, obviously, to travel around, and they're so comfy. This was a size 3, and I like the larger sizes, more comfortable, more realistic sizes, I say, the real woman.
Right.
And so this was a jackpot.
Oh my gosh, yes, sold so fast.
Yeah.
$39.99. So pretty awesome.
Is that what they sold for?
$39.99 plus shipping.
Oh, good. And that was
Yeah.
$69, so she's got a
Oh.
half price deal on that.
Heck yeah, we're giving somebody a great deal. They're very
Awesome.
happy. We're happy. And so we're gonna go upstairs to the attic of Now Wonderful. Let's check it out.
I'm gonna put the crunchy bag in here, honey.
Oh, sure.
Okay.
Now, you'll remember us finding a lot of the inventory that we're pulling today on this attic sourcing video. Now, remember to check this one out because, like I said, you're going to see it. It's like a good couple hours long, and we're pulling out all of these awesome clothes
Look at these
that
blankets.
we've now been listing.
These blankets, just piles and piles of blankets that we have to sell these things.
I know, we're going to have fun listing these. I mean, these are just some great ones right here.
There's
if you
a roll
see
one.
this, yeah, I mean, this one right here, this is the, like, sort of quintessential. If you see anything this colorful in the granny square, yeah, you want to pick that
Look
up.
at this one, has a purple rose on it.
Ooh, I like that.
And yeah, I need to give him a little wash.
Oh, sure. Let's check out in here because we have, this used to be our, Michelle, your old inventory room, which we have a few more boxes right here.
Yeah.
But we had all this area here was unlisted
All
inventory.
of
Bags
this.
and bags and bags.
Like bags and
If you
bags.
may remember.
Yep.
Yep, and we put those all basically in those boxes downstairs. All we have left are these racks of clothing here to get listed. And
Oh my gosh. I can't believe how much we've done.
right,
We
it's-
really have.
I know, just rearranging the attic, getting everything else sorted out, and now we have just nearly everything listed. So we're super excited about that.
Yes.
So
So you told me that I'm headed towards the shoe room. Is this where we're going?
yeah, let's go to
Okay.
the shoe room and pick our next sale here. So this one right here also came from our attic sourcing video and the attic of Now Wonderful, the former attic of wonders. Now we're gonna find these Dr. Scholl's flat clogs in bin shoe 5, which is the nice big one right here.
Oh, here. Oh,
Yeah.
yeah.
And these went for $25 on Poshmark.
Yeah,
That's
I had
pretty
them
awesome.
For a couple, I had them, bought them last summer, I think.
Okay.
And they're size 10, so I held on to them for a little bit.
Yeah.
But yeah.
Yeah. Wow. Very nice. 25
Yay,
bucks.
25 bucks.
And that sold pretty fast as well. I started those off on eBay, cross-listed them via List Perfectly, which makes it really easy to cross-list. And if you want 30% off your first month of cross-listing, check out the link below and get those eyes, more eyes on your items.
I couldn't have listed my 50 plus in the last couple of days without Liz Perfectly. It just would have been humanly impossible. So I'm very grateful. Thank you, Liz Perfectly.
I know. Oh my gosh, we got those on Mercari, Poshmark, and then I'm going to take them and put them on eBay.
Yep.
So one thing that I had on eBay for the longest time was actually this. I'm very surprised this didn't sell quicker. This Jimmy Foam blow mold. Now this is a pumpkin totem, and it's sold on Mercari. We took an offer of $17 for this.
And our video that we did about these was just awesome.
Oh, the blow molds. Oh my gosh,
Yeah.
guys! If you can find these things, these things. People love to decorate for, whatever holiday. And these blow molds can go for some really great money, guys, especially the large plastic ones.
Yes.
I was very surprised this took a long time to sell and only for $17. But, hey, whatever.
Okay.
No problem.
It's so cool. Look at those faces. They're so scary. I love it.
Right? I know. Super vintage.
Oh, my Lord.
Everybody's in
Everyone,
the showroom.
we've got Forrest Gump and Elmer Fudd in here. And, guys... Thank you. It's only 80 degrees, but that's not too bad. That's not bad.
Perfect.
It just plops.
Oh, we love the plopper. All right. So next going out on Mercari actually is something, honey, that you found in our recent barn sale video. Now, we go to this barn every once in a while. They're open, and we love to find that they're open. In bin F3, we're gonna find these, and they're a pair of vintage Eagle Disney Mickey and Friends like slush machines. So you put like these in the freezer, and then you pour your drink in there, and they start like icing up right away. I remember these as a kid. Not these exact ones. Now, these actually went on Mercari for $49, guys. So we picked up an entire big bag full of stuff at this yard sale for much less than that. I think it's $40 we paid for the entire bag. And we've just got our money back just in this right here.
I was so excited.
Yeah, when you found these, I was like, oh my gosh, no way, these are...
I knew as soon as I saw them they were something special.
Right.
So, and it's something besides clothing, which really does seriously excite me. I do not want to fall over you, buddy.
Oh, sorry, buddy.
He's like, you know what, Mommy?
I know, and you know what? These ones are actually in amazing shape because the ones that we were doing research on were very faded. These have really nice graphics yet, so we could ask a premium for these, and we did. We got $49. So
that's just ridiculous.
It is.
Right?
Oh my gosh.
It's ridiculous.
I'll say it. So let's go over and we'll go to bin U4. U4 is over in this area here. And we're going to find a Soma Vanishing Back Full Coverage Bra, size 38D.
Okay.
So bin U4 is right down the bottom there.
Okay, everybody. These bras, any kind of bra, Soma, Victoria's Secret, any kind. This isn't even new with tags. Went for $26. And you can find these at yard sales a lot. And women will wear, Victoria's Secret bras and things like that, gently used. They love them. I sell them quite a bit, actually.
Heck yeah. And this one was new with tags, but
it was new with tags?
Yeah, this one was. But still,
it doesn't
awesome.
matter.
$26.99 plus shipping for that, the amazing.
Yeah.
And another brand that, of course, you want to look out for in bin Y4 right here is Lululemon. And we got some short booty shorts there, some athletic, women's size 10.
Lulu booty. You see what I wrote?
Oh.
Lulu booty.
Oh, that makes it easy to find, right?
Because there's so many different pieces of black.
I know, right?
That I put these stuff. I have to.
I like that. I like how you do that, honey, because that's going to make it that much easier to find, right?
Yeah.
Absolutely. Heck yeah.
Lulu booty.
All right. So now we're going to go over to bin B over this way because we have a Russ Troll doll, a 4.5-inch one. And this one is went for $8.99 plus shipping. And it's a pirate. So this is pretty cool. Yeah, a pirate.
I haven't seen this one yet.
Okay, let's see. Here he is.
Oh my goodness. I love his hair.
Right? He's got the eye patch and everything, so that's pretty cool. I must have pulled this out of the bins. I don't normally, buy these things singly, but, there's a big collection there in the bins, and in the bins is next to nothing. So $9 plus shipping.
Wow.
Yeah, it took let's see, about a year to sell. So
thank goodness it doesn't take up a lot of space.
that too, right?
Yeah.
So would I buy this again? Probably not. But it's going out to a collector, and we're making them happy, so I'm happy about that.
Yes.
Right? All right, so this one right here, we're going to find in bin 03, which is on the table over here. Just right here, actually. It is a Vince front pocket short sleeve t-shirt that was new with tags, and it went for $29.99 plus shipping.
Yeah. So this is Vince. It's so pretty. I love the color, and it was brand new with tags. So if you see this very simple, yeah, then you'll know that they sell.
I know, and I was actually mistaken because this sold on Poshmark for $39.
It did?
Yeah, $39 on Poshmark. Pretty awesome.
For a t-shirt? Are you kidding?
I
Do we
know.
ever just buy like plain t-shirts that are plain colors? Generally, no.
Unless they're like high-end brands.
Exactly, like Theory or Vince or someone like that.
Right.
Yay! Okay, we'll put that in there.
Yeah.
Booty shorts and a little bit of Vince. Okay.
Nice. And here's another summer item here. We'll find this in bin H4 over here. So bin H4 will find a Banana Republic colorful dress here, and this went for $15 on Poshmark.
I had this in my closet for a couple of years, 2 years I think. I fell in love with these beautiful colors, but it was a size 4 petite. So when you're looking for dresses, when you get into the petites and stuff like that, it's not super hard to sell, but it's definitely a different market. So I took this $15 offer and bought this for $5 originally.
That's cool. I mean, hey, a good $10 profit on a nice dress. Again, we're giving somebody a real great deal. They're going to be happy. They're going to be cool for the summer.
Yeah, and it's Banana Republic, but it happens to be a Banana Republic piece that's special. So don't discount them.
Absolutely. Thanks, honey.
Yeah, hey.
Now we're going to go over to bin E because we're going to find something that I pulled out of the bins once again, probably a couple years ago. Now this thing was like sort of nicked up. I didn't even really want to sell it. I was thinking of using it, but I thought, you know what, I'm just going to throw it online. So bin, excuse me. This is bin E, and this is an iron flask, 32-ounce vacuum insulated stainless water bottle. So, honey, you like to sell water bottles all the time.
I do.
This one, I thought, was a pretty good brand, and it felt good and sturdy, sort of like a hydro flask or something. So I went ahead and bought it. Again, pulled it out of the bins. I went and put it in a plastic bag.
Nice size too. It's a sizable one.
Yeah, it is. It's a good. And you could tell, it's just good and solid. And I put it in a bag so it didn't, accumulate any more scratches while sitting in the bin there. So yeah, $10 plus shipping. Heading on out to somebody again. A lot of these things are keeping people cool this summer.
Yeah, there's a theme here.
I think so, right?
Yeah, hot flash.
Hot flash. That's what we'll call it.
Yeah.
All right, sounds good. So, well, guys, it was a great day of sales, and we're super excited that you joined us today for seeing what sold. Maybe it'll give an idea of what might sell for you. And, not too bad with an average sale price here today, around $20.
No.
So we're really happy about that.
Yeah, we're grateful for that, and we're grateful that you guys spent a little time with us today.
Mm-hmm.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, guys, have a great day of sales yourselves, and we'll see you next time.
Bye.
Hats off to you. Whoa! Luckily we packaged that really well.
We did.